I am so excited to launch our Diverse Trials Thursdays. Every week, we're going to have one video that talks about diversity in clinical trials and inspiring messages that will empower you to understand this industry more. Today, I want to focus on the diversity deficit and unpacking Black underrepresentation in clinical trials, or patients of African descent. But before starting, I am Tengu Muna and I am with Achaibo Clinical. I'm the founder there, and my purpose is to create a community of like-minded people who are passionate about bringing diversity and who want to learn more about this industry so that patients of African descent or minority patients are not left behind in this industry. Picture a tapestry that is woven with countless threads, and each representing the lives and stories of people around the world. Now imagine that there are certain parts of this tapestry threads that are being overlooked. So our mission really is to illuminate these threads, especially the vibrant and resilient Black threads that have often been marginalized. So why, you ask? Clinical trials are the lifeblood of medical advancements, and their integrity rests on the diversity of their participants. The absence of patients of African descent in these trials leaves an incomplete picture, akin to a symphony of missing essential notes. Over the next few weeks, through the lens of underrepresentation, we're going to unravel this complex fabric of diversity. We're going to dig deep into culture and science, and then unmask the barriers. We're going to celebrate progress, and most importantly, we're going to arm you with knowledge that you can use to take action and fortify our presence in this industry. I invite you to join me on this journey. Let's explore and let's understand importantly and be the catalyst for change that the world needs. I'm glad that you joined me for this first introduction video. We're going to start in the next 4 weeks with the episodes of this series. I'm delighted that you're on this journey. If you've watched this video and you are excited about this mission to create a community that promotes diversity in clinical trials, join us. We have a free Telegram group where you can participate and be with like-minded people. We also have a paid community where we teach others about the clinical trials industry and how they too can make a difference. Join the tribe. Be ambitious in crafting the future of inclusive healthcare. And of course, together we can pioneer diversity in clinical trials. Remember, every green counts. And I will see you guys on the next episode. Onward, pioneers. Onward, pioneers. And thank you for listening, and I'll see you guys on the next episode. Bye-bye.